Hello, boys and girls. It is Mr. McAndrew, the Rocco Math Coach. I am very excited to be here with you again. We're going to continue our work with two-digit numbers. So here you can see we have a two-digit number, 34. So we have the 3 in the tens place and the 4 in the ones place. So first, I'm going to review what we did in our last lesson. And then, very exciting, we are going to use a new manipulative called base 10 blocks, which I think you've seen before. And we're going to use those to continue our work with understanding what the digits in a two-digit number represents. Okay, so here we have a 34. So the 3 tells us we have 3 tens. So that if we had a bunch of butterflies, yellow butterflies, we have 1 10, which is 10, 2 tens, which is 20, 3 tens, which is 30. So that 3 tells us we have 3 tens, or 3 full 10 frames, or 30 butterflies. Okay? And then we still have 4 leftover butterflies over, oh, look at that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 leftover butterflies. I forgot to add the other butterfly. I only had 33 butterflies. So we have 30 plus 4 more butterflies gives us 34 butterflies. All right, so like I said, today we are going to work with base 10 pieces, or sometimes called base 10 blocks. And we're going to work with tens and ones. So let's start with our ones. And let's say that, again, we have yellow butterflies. So let's say we have 1 yellow butterfly. Let's say that we have 2 yellow butterflies. That's 2 ones. Let's say that we have 3, 4, 5 yellow butterflies. All right, there's 5. Or we could even add more. Let's add, let's say we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 yellow butterflies. And they're all flying around, yellow butterflies. So they don't look like butterflies, but we just have to pretend like each little square represents a yellow butterfly. So here's the really cool part about this, boys and girls, which is we can take 10 of these butterflies, just like with the 10 frames, and we can make a group of 10. So I'm going to circle 10 of them. So that means I'm going to circle all but 2 of them. And I'm going to put them together, whoa, into a 10. Why is this a 10? Because we have, it's one group, they're all together, and there's 1, you can count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, there's 10 ones in this 10. There's 10 in here. So this number, boys and girls, this number would be, let's get our color thing here going. This number would be 110, and it would also be 2 ones. That number is also called what? 12, right? 12, 110, and we have our 2 ones left over here. Okay, so that's our ones. We can also have a bunch of tens, just like we can have a bunch of ones. So let's say that we brought out another 10. So that's 2 tens, or 20. And let's say we have another 10. That's 3 tens, or 30. Or another 10. That's 4 tens, or 40. Let's do one more. Now we have 5 tens, or 50. So in this number we would have, let's get our colors together, we have 5 tens, we have 5 tens, and then we still have those 2 ones. So let's make those yellow. We have 2 ones. Oh, I didn't click it. Okay, we've got 2 ones. So we have 52, you can say we have 52 pieces, or 52 butterflies if you want to think of it that way. Okay, so let's go to, I'm going to change things up. We've been talking about frogs and butterflies. Now we're going to talk about candy, because I know a lot of you like candy. One of my favorite types of candy is Skittles. So let's talk about Skittles for a minute. Yes, I do want to delete those. And I'm going to erase this. Okay, so let's say that we have a bunch of Skittles. Somebody gives us a bunch of Skittles. Let's say they give us 1. Let's say they give us 2. Let's say they give us 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's so many Skittles. We got a bunch of Skittles here. And they're a really good friend of yours, so you ask for someone to give you more Skittles. So you get more Skittles. And maybe we got 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So let's organize our Skittles a little bit here so we can count them. We want to make sure we have exactly how many we think we have. So let's see. So far it looks like we have about 20, maybe 19. Let's add a few more Skittles. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see how many Skittles we have. Looks like we have, put this one down here. Looks like we have 1, you can count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have 22 ones. Let's add one more because I'm hungry. All right, we have 23 Skittles. All right, so we need to figure out how many, think about this, how many, let's pretend we have some bags, okay? And the bags are green, and we can fit 10 Skittles in each bag. You can't put 8, you can't put 11, you can't put 2. You can only put 10 Skittles. How many bags of 10, think about like the 10 frames, how many bags of 10 could you fill up with 23 Skittles? Think about that. All right, so what do you think? Well, let's find out. Let's make one bag of 10. So let's put these 10 Skittles into a bag of 10 Skittles. So we're going to do that. Okay, so there's one bag. Hey, where did that guy just caught onto it? Huh, that's silly. You come back over here. You too. Okay, actually I'm going to delete that. I don't know where those Skittles came from. All right, so we have one bag of 10 Skittles. I wonder, can we do another bag of 10 Skittles? Let's see. We've got a bunch here. Let's see if we can circle 10 more. We have circled, that should be 10. 1, oh, it didn't work. Let's try it again. Let's circle 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see if I can put them into a bag. Yes, it worked. Excellent. So now I have 2 bags of 10 Skittles. Excellent. And I still have 3 left over. Can I fill another bag with these 3 Skittles? No, I cannot. Okay, so if you said, I think you can fill 2 bags with 10 Skittles each, then you are correct. So right here we have the number, 20, so we have 2 10s right here, and we also have 3 1s, so we have the number 20, 23, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, awesome. Let's try another one. So I'm going to go and delete what we have here. Delete, delete, delete. Goodbye, Skittles. I'm going to eat you. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to eat you all at once. And hum. Oh, wait. Delete. Yes. Eat. I should say eat, right? Hum. Yes, they're all gone. All right, I ate those. Now, let's say that we've got even more Skittles. This time we have, let's go for 60. That's right, 60. Got a lot of Skittles. 65 Skittles. Okay, so this 6 right here tells us that we have 6 bags with how many Skittles in each bag? 10. That's right, there's 10. All right, so let's get a bag. Here's one bag of 10. So that's one base 10. We call that base 10. It's another word for base 10. It's one bag of Skittles. So we have 10. We have 20. We have 30. We have 40. How many bags do you think we'll end up with? Think about it. How many bags? Let's see. So far we've got 4 bags. So that's 40. We got to do it to another bag. That's 50 Skittles. Another bag. That's 60 Skittles. Now let's see. Could I add another bag? Let's see. That would be 70 Skittles. But I don't have 70 Skittles, so I can't do that. So I got to make that one go away. But we still have, if you look up at our number, we still have 5 Skittles left. So we put those leftover ones in the ones column. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 Skittles over here. So we have 65 Skittles. So if you said you can fill up 6 bags with 10 Skittles in each, you are absolutely correct. All right. You guys are doing great. Thank you for paying attention. You're doing fantastic. I'm going to delete these, and we'll do one more before it's time to say goodbye. All right, so let's delete, delete, delete. I'm going to eat those 6 bags. There's 60 in there. Ready? All right. Oh, there's 5 left. Would you like the last 5? That's not very nice, right? You should get more than just 5. All right, so I'm going to eat those, or you can eat them. Okay, ready? Gone. All right, this time, let's come up with an even bigger number. What number should we do? Well, I can't hear you, so I'll have to make up my own number. Let's do the number, let's go even bigger. Bigger the better, that's what I say. Let's go with 80. Let's go with 80. 82 Skittles. All right, so let's think. How many Skittles do we have here? How can we represent that with 10s and 1s? How many bags of 10 Skittles do you think we could fill up? So let's see. Think about that. How many bags do you think we could fit in there? Let's try 1 bag. That's 10. Let's try 2 bags. That's 20. Let's try 3 bags of 10. That's 30. Let's try 4 10s. That's 40. 5 10s. That's 50. 6 10s. That's 60. 7 10s, that's 70s. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 8 bags of 10 Skittles in each bag. Can we add one more? That's 90. That's too many. We can't do that, so we'll delete that one. So we have already done 8 bags. Okay, now we just need to figure out how many are left over. Can we fit, we still have 2 left over. Can we fit those into another bag of 10? We can't, right? Because those bags, you have to put 10. So let's grab 2 1s, and you can see that we have 82. We have 8 10s. So here you can see we have our 8 10s. Oops, let's grab that. We have 8 10s. Ooh. Okay, we have 8 10s. And we have 2 1s. All right, boys and girls, thank you for joining me today. I'll be doing another video very soon, and we'll keep working on this. All right, remember, be safe and be kind, especially to your family. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Great job today.